Dogs are one of the most popular and beloved pets around the world. They are known for their loyalty, companionship, and intelligence. These qualities make them favorite among pet owners. There are hundreds of different dog breeds, each with its own unique physical and behavioral characteristics. From small lap dogs like Chihuahuas to large working dogs like German Shepherds, there is a breed for everyone. They are known for their intelligence and trainability. They are often used as service animals for the people with disabilities as well as for search and rescue missions. They are incredibly loyal to their owners and often form strong bonds with them. They are known for their protective nature and will do whatever it takes to keep their owners safe. They make great companions and are often referred as man's best friend. They are always there to offer a listening ear or a comforting paw, and their constant presence can provide a sense of security and comfort. Owning a dog has been shown to have numerous health benefits, including reducing stress, improving cardiovascular health, and mood and well being. They require regular exercise and provide a great motivation for their owners to get outside and be active. Daily walks and playtime can help keep both the dog and the owner healthy and happy. They need proper training in order to become well behaved and obedient pets. Owning a dog comes with a great deal of responsibility. It is important for the potential dog owners to understand the commitment that comes with owning a pet. Dogs are incredibly wonderful animals. They are loyal, intelligent, and loving animals. These characteristics have earned their place as one of the most popular pets in the world.